It set me down. Another nice calm day on this water. A few other people out, but we got a little nice little stretches of it to ourselves. Still a little group with us. So, nothing to complain about. Another fantastic day on the water. Got the long lost Frank Benton out here with us today. Tell you, VIP occurrence. Got Dave over there. Lavon, 100% inspired by me. That's it. That's the only other way to describe it. That's the only reason that happened. So, about to get started. And of course, yeah, world famous Southern paddler. Out here representing dozens and dozens of loyal subscribers worldwide. Oh man, starting up, heading towards the rock. Think I'm about to crash, but good start to the day. Oh no, just how I designed it. Can't beat it. I don't know. I'm already on this side, so I don't know.
That's looking shallow over there.
Does it?
Yeah, I think I might make you right.
I'll listen to you guys this time. See how that worked out for me. Because I went rogue last time.
Well, generally, you know, the outside of the curve is going to have a little more water. Let's see.
Yeah. Checking out a little bovine activity. One of the features of Big Willis Creek is gonna see some cows on your paddle on down.
It's a beautiful creek. Oh man, I like that sniper creek. Yeah. Oh man, I watched that video right. We got to do that, man. Yeah, that is an awesome creek. It is. Oh, that one. That's the low spot. Yeah, it's real low. Yeah, it is. The water is real clear. Well, you know, the last time. No, you gotta love it, man.
Man, you can't do nothing but. Nothing but.
Yeah, because me and Logan actually had to get out. I remember you talking about that. Yeah, it was definitely up.
There we go. There we go. It set me down, but I'm still moving. Okay.
Yeah. I'll tell you, some of them hops, man, they jack up my spine. It's like a allergy kind of thing to those spines here. You like the, what is like all the dark lagers and yeah, man, I love stout. Yeah, like that's my favorite, yeah. I haven't quite found a stout I like it a lot, so you gotta tell me when I need to try. A lot of people like that, man. You kind of feel like you love them or hate them, but now stout, they've got a lot of those, I've had some spicy stouts, I had some different flavors in there. Those are really good. Yeah. I like them better in the wintertime. Oh, they're cold. I actually started something else I picked up during the quarantine. I started home brewing. I tried that for a little bit. One summer, my wife bought me a little kit. Oh yeah. But it was so much easier just to walk up the street.
It's work, dude.
Yeah,
how long does it take for it to actually get ready to drink?
Yeah, it takes about what? Couple months?
Yeah, 4 weeks on mine.
4 weeks.
Yeah, it's 2 weeks in the fermenter and then 2 weeks in the bottle. I did the first one I did was an Irish stout. It was good.
It's pretty good. See, man, I'm so worried about I do one wrong thing or expose to too much light or whatever, and then you wait 4 weeks, the beer tastes like piss.
Oh, I was a nervous wreck, dude.
Yeah.
Well, see, I went off like a dumbass and I bought 5 gallons.
So you bought the big one.
So I'm like, man, if I have to pour out 5 gallons, I'm just gonna cry.
Yeah, but it ended up coming out good.
Yeah, both of them. I did my first one's Irish stout, and then I got a dozen strong there now. Yeah. I cracked open this week. It turned out real good. But it's some work, man. Yeah. Trying to get 5 gallons to boil and then sanitizing everything.
Yeah, so that's what I'm worried about. Making sure everything is completely sanitized.
Yeah. But you're right, it's a lot easier to go to public. You got to fix up.
Oh man, I gotta laugh when I see you doing that. Think about this at DeSoto.
Well, that's, yeah, and I'm having about the same amount of luck.
Oh man. Oh.
Challenge is real.
It's a perfect stretch of river right here, Dan.
Man, it's a good one, isn't it? Yep. Slows down a little bit. It's all quiet.
Like I know you had been, but I guess that's why you kept suggesting it again.
Yeah, it is a great trip,
And with the shuttle, it's making it convenient.
Oh man.
well, that's the thing is, just I wasn't sure how you felt about the shuttle, and then too, you gotta be kind of aware of how long it actually takes people to get there, What was the drive for you?
Oh, 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, so it's an hour and a half for us.
Yeah. Actually, I don't even think it was a whole hour.
You probably come up like 59.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, it wasn't bad at all, man. Man, it's just a fantastic day. Fantastic scenery. A little crowded. A few kids on the river today. Being kids. But still a good day.
That's right. GG. I know. It'd be perfect.
Now, Lavon, when you come down through here, and it be some of these going across the river, call that strainer. Because it'll strain your ass right through it. And your board will get pulled up under and you get caught in. So these can be real dangerous if they crossing the river. And it was, you see where they came in with the chainsaw and cut it all off, cut it all back. Yeah.
This may be the first of one of two little droppers. Dang, look at this log coming up in that limb.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
And it flooded through and it came in and flipped up.
That is nuts. I think that water was up there.
Yeah, it came in and flipped it clean up.
Was that what it did?
Yeah, it get caught on the bottom and then the water's pushing it. And because the heavy end is up top.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, and it pushes it on through. Ah!
Oh yeah! Look at all some water!
Oh man. Oh man. Man, it's been a perfect day. Finishing this up out here. We got a nice little group. It's been a nice day, man. Nice flow to it, almost too good of a flow, over too fast. We're wrapping this on up. Can't beat it. That's pretty much all it is. So appreciate you joining me on this little ride. Buddy Lavon came along with me. Inspired.
You inspire me.
Yep. So fantastic. And we'll be seeing you